Hi, this is Debbie. I'm here for the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday, which is hosted by Jenn at SassySouthernNCGirl. It was originally hosted by Janet at Sunflowers and Crafts, but she handed it down to Jenn. So anyway, I probably need to make a new little thing for it. I had put a sunflower on here because it was Janet, and I don't know what I'll put on there for Jenn, but anyway, I will change that. But anyway, this is the Twinchie I made for this week. I actually made it last week, but it was a big hot mess at one time. It's not the greatest right now, and I did make it into a little shaker, and I think I got some video of how I was making it as a mess, because it had this on it at one time, and then I switched it over to this to make it look decent, and then I had to print out Llama Love. I figured that green, I didn't like the background that I used in the back of the thing, and this was also going to be for Hearts All Year originally, because I was going to put, let's see, where's that Hearts All Year thing I have? Hearts All Year, which is hosted, I can still put it in with that, because there are little tiny hearts in there, and originally I was going to have these little envelopes around there, but it just looked hideous, and you'll see, because I did get some pictures of it at least, but I'll see what I got. And then I gessoed the back, and then I used my stamp on the back, and I colored it in, because I got that stamp from Temu, but it stamps in black, and I didn't like it. But there it is, and it's got cute little llamas. I put the green, printed out the green words to match the background. I don't know why I picked that green for the background. I still don't know why. But anyway, Hearts All Year is hosted by susansheartstrings and Terry at TellensPlace. So anyway, you can join in. These are open collabs, and here it is. And you will see how hideous it was. It was very bad. I was going to pitch it, and then I said, no, I'm going to make it work. And this is made from one of these pill packets when you buy like cold medicine, and it has capsules. I'm saying that funny. But anyway, when they fill out one, because it's got like the little things you peel off and get your capsules out, but it would don't normally be raised up. So anyway, but this is when they put the spacers in between like there's 4 here and 4 here, and then they have these 2 empty ones. So I decided to make a little shaker using that. And Wyatt is getting into it. Excuse me, Wyatt, what are you doing down there? You see, I have the doors open, so he thinks he's got to get in there. He's been getting into lots of stuff. So anyway, let me get back down here. Sorry for the squeaking chair and the squeaking tripod. But anyway, oh, you might have saw the ones that I made that I've already posted. So anyway, here you go. And this is for the hashtags. And there is the little shaker. I think it's not too bad. It's cute. I think my daughter would like it. She loves llamas. I think that's where I got this llama from. I'm not sure. Maybe oh no, I don't remember. It seems like if I would have got the llamas, I would have sent it to my daughter. So maybe I got one for myself and I sent one to her, because I don't know why I would keep it if I had it, because she loves llamas, unless she gave it to me, but I don't know. So anyway, have a good day. Bye. Hi, it's Debbie. I got sidetracked. I forgot I was making this Twinchie, which I was going to use the little hearts in these envelopes, and I was also going to make a shaker using this. This is like a package from medicine when some of the pockets don't have the capsules in it, but I had one emptied up here somewhere, and now it is missing. I have some hearts down there, but I don't know what happened to the one I had. I had one cut out, and I took all the backing off of it, and I was going to use it, but I've lost it, so that will probably be for another day. So I am working on another Twinchie for Twinchie Tuesday. So anyway, I'll get back to this one, but I'm going to go ahead and trim this one off, the paper I put on there, and get working on that one later. Hi, it's Debbie. I got that backing off of there, See how it makes a nice, it has a nice little dip, so it's perfect for a little mini shaker. And then I'm going to take the dryer sheet and rub that in there because that helps with the static, so you don't have static. I ended up switching to these BB craft beads because they are a little bit smaller than those, so I figured they would be better. I have it there glued down, and I don't want to turn it over till the glue is dry, so hopefully they are where they're supposed to be. And then I will stick the envelopes on the outside. I was planning to put them like on the corners and then put maybe washi tape or something around the edge. So I'm very bad at making shakers, so I'm hoping it works. So anyway, we'll find out. I am also not sure if I got that anywhere near the center, but I think I did, but maybe not, but I don't think it really matters. Well, I did not get it too centered, and what I'm going to do to cover this up is I'm going to use some strips of paper and match the green, and then I'll put the little envelopes on the outside. I think they will fit at the bottom here and on the sides, and then I'll put some kind of sentiment up at the top. But there was only one heart that got stuck with the glue a little bit there, but the rest of them seem to be all right. Oh, I could put more beads in it, but that's okay. Okay, that looks quite hideous, so I don't know how I'll be able to save it, but I'm going to try. That's what happens when you're crafting. Sometimes things don't work out very well. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. I tried fixing it with the heart washi tape, but I don't like that, so now I'm going to try some llamas. Because I have that green background, I should have not probably used green, but I'm going to try with the llamas and see if I can make it look better. Well, here is the twinchie, and I don't hate it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. I think it's a nice little save from how hideous it looked before. And I am not good at making shakers, but I think the thing worked out pretty good using that. So anyway, there you go. Little llamas. Llama love. My daughter loves llamas. I decided to use my stamp for the back, and I don't like the black, so what I did was I stamped it and then I kind of colored it with colored pencil. There you go. There it is.